Nobody can tell me no in this room. I think that's a big part of it, is I can put this there and that there and do this. But yeah, it's trying a new idea. I'm so excited to try that next idea, right? Or to do that next step. I don't know, some folks have to start their morning with coffee. I don't know, I've gotten to a point where I could probably safely say, like, I have to start my morning with making something. I started woodworking when I was in high school and kind of enjoyed that, working for a general contractor, and then went on to be a framer after that. And then now I work for the Forest Service doing wildfire research. And my days are usually 12 to 14-hour days, you know, and if I'm not busy doing something, that's not good for anybody. I have made everything from built-in cabinets to dining room tables, fine furniture on down to just shop furniture. There's a blessing and a curse in being purely custom, right? Because I'll never build the same thing twice, which is really enjoyable, but I'll never build the same thing twice, which is really difficult. Woodworking and making things is all about failure. If you can get past those failures and not let them bother you, you'll find something that is like no other experience that I've ever had. I used to say when I was a framer, and I still feel this way to this day, I could turn around at the end of the day and look back and see exactly what I accomplished. And the day I quit framing houses is the last day that I was able to do that for my job. We were all encouraged to go to college, and so few of us encouraged to take up something working with your hands. And I think today we're seeing that change. And to me, it's such a positive change. I hear more stories every day of folks who quit their day job, right? Oh, you quit your day job, become a woodworker. That's a reality today. You can do that today. That wasn't the case 10 years ago or 15 years ago even. You know, and we say manufacturing's dead in this country. Manufacturing's changed in this country, right? Manufacturing's happening here. Industrial-sized tools are being designed, produced, and sold out of 2- and 3-car garages. And you go, what? Work is a part of our life, and you're gonna have to do a lot of work to succeed, to feed yourself, to, you know, leave your mark on society. If you can learn to be okay with it, but also to find some pleasure in it, you're gonna be a lot better off.